you ever think about working at Animal Hospital? Don't do it. Don't mind that. Today we are gonna be playing. Drum roll, please. Animal Hospital. But there's a catch. I'm playing all alone. Anyways, let's get right into it.
What the heck was that?
Scuba. Okay. I always get the first coffee. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the second patient. It's right here. Let's do this. Okay. Easy. Let me give you your herbs. Alright. And you need eye drops. I just sneeze. Hate when that happens, but... Okay. Alright, let's go. This guy's cute. Okay. He looks normal on the camera. Normal. Room 1. I'm gonna go to room 5 and then room 4 and then room 1. I wish they had chocolate. That's too bad, I guess. I'll get the extra check-in window, and that'll help me a whole ton. Oh no. That guy. No, them. Is that Matthew? Hi. Oh no. Hi, Matthew. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my gosh. Please leave. Why are you progress? Are you getting more patients? You what? What? I'm gonna go check on the patients. I'm gonna what is this? I use. No, in 5. I'm gonna go to the Oh gosh. Oh, I hate Please, now I need the surgery. Alright. What the heck? Escapeable? Okay, I did that. Yay! Oh, he has coffee. I'll buy coffee. I don't know, like, oh, shoots. Hey, Barney. This guy, oh, you're gonna eat them up. Okay, hey, normal. Bradley's back! Yay! I haven't seen Ron yet. Thank you. I knew that. I'm gonna check you in first. Oh goodness, it's lagging. Why is it lagging? Oh gosh, oh my gosh. Why did I just see a stalker? Who did I let in? I think I let someone in there as well. Why is it cooking so much? Oh, hi Ron! Okay, you have Ron here again. Okay. I know that. From the counting, of course. No, I don't wonder. I honestly don't really care. Turn it down. Stop ringing the gosh darn bell! Wait a minute. Hold on, cause you got yeah, you're suspicious. Let's look at you. You're fine. Let me just let it go. Oh, I knew it. Oh my gosh. Cookie Chow! Oh no! That's such a cute name. I wouldn't normally throw you away, but you have such a cute name, I can't. So, Cookie Chow, I will only be saving you. Okay, you stay there. I'll get you later. Cause y'all need to know I am so good at treating patients in room number 7. I am so good at it. Like, you guys need to see this. Look at this, look at this. No, look at this, guys. Look at this. Boom. 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 Boom, boom. Okay. Oh, wow. I mean, I know what he needs, but like, I'd rather just look. Herbs, maple syrup, and bandages. Herbs, maple syrup. Where the herb? Oh, herbs and medicine. Wait, did I get bandages? Oh no, it's bandages, not medicine. Okay. Oh, I was about to give it to him. I need to throw this away. Where's the trash bin at? Okay. Red, blue, yellow. Okay. Trash bin. Okay, need it. Okay. I got it right, y'all. Look at this hurt. Oh my goodness, it was you. Get out of here. It was that guy that I let in. I was kidding you too. What did I miss? I didn't know. What did I miss? Okay, whatever. The ambulance. Ugh, goodness. I need to look on the cameras for this. I know that you're not even gonna help me. It's even worse, I'm doing solo right now. Okay. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm so nervous. Let's see. That guy! The blue one! Wait, what? Where's the blue? Oh. Oh, great heavens. Where's the one on fire? Where's the one on fire? A car outside my window. Okay, I think it's you that was the anomaly. I'm just not so sure. I'm gonna watch you real close. I just shot you! Oh my gosh. See, I knew it was that guy. Oh my gosh. He tried and he got. You better not be an anomaly. Actually, I wouldn't really mind. I can just kill you. Organ. Antibiotics or antibiotics. I don't even know what to call them. Bandages. Medicate. Medicine. Organ. And bandages. Where are the okay. Ooh, I got some CNV. I think I only got one, but that's okay. Hey doctor. Yeah, thank you very much for not helping me. Gosh. You useless. Yeah. Ooh. Bonus. I like to hear that. Or the word of that, whatever. Oh, wow! That's a great bonus. Thank you. Let's see. I'll get the chocolate. Ooh, yes. Get chocolate, and that's all I'm buying. I don't need anything else. I'll do this. Get my chocolate. I'll leave it in here actually. Only for a little smoothie. Are you? Oh my gosh, Barney's here. I can't even take 2 sips of my coffee. Ugh, whatever, he can just take it. I have chocolate anyway. Hi, Barney. Sure. I really don't care. I know, thank you. What? What? What do you want? Oh my gosh. Sure, Barney, whatever. Okay, give me the suitcase. I don't care. Thank you, I know that. Tell me something I don't know. That's fine. Matthew! Hi, Matthew. Roommate surgery. Yeah, I could guess that. I don't know if Ron's hiding. I mean, I think Ron is hiding. Well, I don't know. This guy looks really tired. Hi, you look. Oh my gosh, you look so tired. Thank you. I will. So like, shoot. Alright, bye. Ugh. Water fire is always starting. Whatever. 3. At least there's no one in there. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah, okay. I'll put this back. There you go. Ooh, this one's harder. Ooh. You did all of that for a headache? Gosh, headache needs okay. I hope you are doing great so far. Up upon a world so high, like a diamond, in the skies. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I know you are great and are. Okay. I sang such a beautiful song. Let's look. No, I don't. Okay, it's creepy. I don't care. Ron, I do not like you. Wait, what? They're infected. Shoot, isn't that a bad thing? Wait, aren't you infected? If you're talking about other people coming here infected, that must mean you're infected too. Okay, no, whatever. Oh my gosh, Barney, get out of here. Oh, ooh, watching on the coffee. Hi. I'm just gonna do sips first. Can we use that camera to take a picture of it? Oh, sure. Oh! Before I actually, let me just, okay. Barney, say cheese. Oh! What the heck? Barney! Why does your face look like that? Oh. Barney, I'll talk to you later. What the heck? Yo, boy, be quiet before I beat you up. Damn. Here, take your thing. I don't want that. I don't care, yo. Bye, Barney. Don't come back unless you're giving me my coffee machine. Room 6. Oh my gosh, oh. Oh my gosh. Here you go, Ron. Here you go. I guess I like you more than the other patients, but Ratty is my absolute favorite. I guess you're my second favorite. I still wonder what that cookie girl's last name was. Oh, shoot. Okay, you're good. Yee. Alright. Let's do y'all. Ugh. Gosh, you take it. Maple syrup and herbs. Okay. Oh my gosh. You're doing so good. Let's see what you... And I will be getting another chocolate. I know, that's right. Okay, I got 2 chocolates. Hey. Why is Barney back? Oh gosh, Barney, go away. Bye, Barney. Oh no. Oh no, someone's going to that room. You see a fire, what are you doing? Oh. I'm killing you. You're too stupid to be alive. Oh, overly irritating. Oh my gosh. Here, take it and just stay down. Oh, I'll treat you later. You disgust me by how stupid you are. And Barney, take your coffee. I don't care. Be quiet. Oh my gosh. What do you want? Leave me alone, Barney. Do you want my skull back? Yes. Get a skate. You're getting your skateboard. Whatever. I don't care. Dang. Ouch! Dude. Better take your darn skateboard and get out of here. Yeah. Thanks, yeah. I know you're a serial killer. Take your suitcase, dude. I don't give a flip. And yeah, I am not your friend. Don't call me that again before I shoot you. I'm not your friend. That's a cool name. Oh my gosh. Why is the fire always starting? Someone's going to room 4 anyways. Goodness. Dude, be quiet and wait. I wasn't even gone for like a minute. Be quiet and just shut the heck up and wait. It isn't that hard. It really isn't. Just wait. Oh, Ractu, come on. Aw. Come in, Ractu. Oh, so cute. I wouldn't. Thank you. Okay, yes, whatever, Yeah, whatever. Stay. I don't care. You're not a bad company, you know that? Oh, I know, thank you. Most folks don't even look at. Just saying, I don't. Thank you. Thank you, Ractu. He's helping me a whole lot. Oh shoot. Thank you. Ractu's super good at this. Ouchie, friend. Oh, okay. Sounds nice. Oh, dehydration? Okay, I think, okay. Get IV drops. Oh my gosh, wait. No, oh, wait, what? Here you go. Okay, bye. This is just a dot. Like. I'm going to press bottom buttons. I pressed the death button, I promise. Okay, whatever. Oh, what the heck? Herbs, medicine, and it was herbs. Oh, wait, what? Oh!